Good afternoon, YouTubers. I want you to see I'm gonna do some curry shrimp today. Some curry shrimp. You can see the shrimp them. See them? Big shrimp. Big one. Big one there. Big one there. Big shrimp them. See them? Big shrimp. Big shrimp. Yes. And I have, see it? Big shrimp. I'm gonna put some Irish carrot. I'm preparing up. I'm gonna cut up onion, sweet pepper, Brussels sprouts, see them? Brussels sprout, scallion, sweet pepper again, and lots of green peas, green bean, string bean. Okay, I'm gonna do some curry shrimp today. This is the way I do my curry shrimp, and some pasta. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do today. So I would like you to like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way Aunty Claire do his curry shrimp. And don't forget to touch the notice button to tell a friend this is the pasta boiling. You can see the pasta boil. Yeah, this is the pasta. So tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way Aunty Claire do his curry shrimp. So I'm getting ready now to do some cutting up. When I cut up again, I make you notice. So don't forget to touch the notice button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Please and thank you. Touch it. Follow me. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. It don't charge. Please. Thank you. Touch it up. This is the way I'm doing my curry shrimp. With pepper. Lots of pepper. Thyme. Okay? Lots of thyme. Pepper. Hot pepper. Scotchy. Right? I don't cook without it. And I have my season. I soon show. So, touch up, like, share, and subscribe. Okay.